Want to write progressive metal that melts faces and bends minds? First, ditch the 4/4 comfort zone, experiment with 7/8, 11/8, or even shifting time signatures within the same riff. Think Dream Theater, not AC/DC. Start simple. Add or subtract a beat from a familiar rhythm to get a feel for it. Next, venture beyond power chords, explore diminished, augmented, and suspended chords. Layer them to create lush harmonies and dissonant textures. Remember, progressive metal is about sonic exploration. Don't be afraid of dynamic contrast. One moment you might be crushing with a wall of distorted guitars, the next, gently caressing with a clean arpeggio. Use volume swells, panning, and reverb to create a dynamic soundscape. Incorporate instrumental sections that tell a story. Think of them as mini compositions within the song. Use changes in tempo, key, and instrumentation to guide the listener through a journey. Finally, listen to the masters. Meshuggah, Tool, Opeth. Analyze their songwriting, arrangements, and production techniques, but most importantly, find your own voice. Experiment, break the rules, and create progressive metal that's uniquely yours. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more metal mastery.